It's almost midnight, and surprisingly, there's still at least approximately 20,000 protesters you have here in the city in Cairo and around the same number in Alexandria. Now, this is really unprecedented because this morning at around 1 p.m., it looked like the protest was going to fizzle out. People, they thought it would just turn out to be, another Facebook/Twitter, social media, just armchair activism, if you put it. But around 5 or 6 p.m., surprisingly, thousands and thousands of people started to gather. And the thing is, security forces really weren't expecting this. There's actually reports that, rather than coming in trucks, they're using public transport, buses, filling up in buses, because their numbers, they weren't expecting this amount of people. You have rubber bullets being used, you have tear gas being used all around the city, all around the country. There are protests. And what's really unprecedented is that they're saying, everyone thought, okay, it would fizzle out, but it's midnight now. They're saying we're going to spend the night. The government's actually blocked Twitter. This is how people were getting out what's happening. Not mainstream news outlets. You had people using Twitter to update. You had around 40 to 50 posts a second of people using the hashtag of January 25th. People were uploading videos using a Swedish website called Bambuser, but then that was blocked, so they went to Ustream. Twitter, we're using proxies, Facebook. So definitely social media is being used intensively to the extent that actually the government downtown, where the protests are mainly based, they've actually completely shut down the network connection. So even the phone companies aren't using.